How to upgrade and install PowerShell 7 on Windows. It is a powerful cross-platform scripting language that offers significant improvements over its predecessor, PowerShell 5.1. To check your current PowerShell version, first, you have to open your Windows PowerShell window. Once you have opened it, type the following command and press Enter. The output will display your current PowerShell version. We have two methods to install or upgrade to PowerShell 7. First, you can download the PowerShell 7 installer from GitHub. All you have to do is visit the GitHub PowerShell page and select the latest release version. Second method is to use Microsoft Store. You have to open your Microsoft Store, search for PowerShell, and select the PowerShell app from Microsoft. Click Install or tap on the button that is labeled Get to download and install PowerShell 7. Upgrading to PowerShell 7 is a simple process that can significantly enhance your scripting capabilities. By following the steps outlined, you can easily install and start using PowerShell 7 on your Windows 10 or 11 machine.